Is everything, is everything. What is meant to be will be.
Alright, let's just jump right into it. As you guys can see, I'm just sectioning off a section of my hair, not too much of it, but we're going to use that to cover up our clip ends towards the back. And then next, I'm going to go ahead and take my Eco Styler gel. You can use whatever gel you want, and I'm going to slick up the front of my hair into a ponytail, get it real sleek and slick how I like it. And I'm going to go ahead and take some edge control and just lay down the sides of my head and my edges. And these are the Kinky Coarse straight clip-ins that I'll be using from BetterLength. They are in 18 inches, I believe. And as you guys can see, I just braided my hair going downward. And then I'm just going to take my loose braids and kind of like pin them down. And then we're going to go ahead and start applying our clip-ins. Now, I do have a really small head, so I apply the smaller clip-ins towards the back. And then when I get to the front of my head, like at the top of my head, I apply the longer ones. So that's basically what I'm doing here, guys. And I did do this hair on old stretched hair. It's basically time for me to wash my hair. But yeah, I like doing styles like this on old hair because I use gel. So as you guys can see, I'm just clipping the clip-ins in. Now that I'm done with the clip-ins at the back, I'm just going to go ahead and blend my natural hair into the clip-ins, and I'm just using a comb to do so. Then I'm just going to take a closed bobby pin and kind of pin my hair down on the sides to make sure that it stays covered up because we do not want our tracks to show. Alright, so moving on to the top of our head, I'm just going to take the clip-ins that have like 2 clips on them, and I'm just going to basically wrap it around my real bun and like clip them to the bun like you guys see me doing here. And then I'm just gonna like wrap it around into a donut. You can wear yours like in a ponytail if you like, but I just wanted to go for a donut. I thought it would just be cute. You know, this hairstyle is still really trendy, still really popular, the half up, half down hairstyle. And then once I get my bun to how I want it, I'm just gonna pin it into place. And then I'm just gonna brush the hair a little bit with my petal brush, fluff it out, and this is what the install looks like. As you guys can see, the BetterLength clip-ins give you a full look. I use all of the clip-ins except for 2, and they come with 10 in one set. So this is how my style came out. My hair blended in really well. Super cute and chic. If y'all enjoyed this video, I hope it was helpful. Everything about BetterLength will be linked in the description box below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you all on my next one. Bye!